When to fertilize grass in the spring. As spring approaches, the urge to get outside and work on the lawn can be overwhelming, but when it comes to applying fertilizer in spring, it is often best to wait. Considerations. Fertilizing a lawn in early spring can do more harm than good. It can cause grass to grow too fast for its roots and make the lawn susceptible to summer heat damage. Spring is when crabgrass and other weeds see their greatest growth, and applying fertilizer will encourage undesirable plants. Timing. If your lawn desperately needs fertilizer in spring, apply it at reduced levels, or wait until May or June. In general, the best time of year to fertilize a lawn is in the fall. Alternatives. While spring may not be the best time to apply fertilizer, it is an acceptable time to use herbicide, if necessary. Apply herbicides before temperatures reach 85 degrees Fahrenheit, preferably in the morning. Use such products only according to the directions on the packaging.